In one of the inspirations, I've been talking about Kiki, and Kiki is another assistant that I've created. So in assistant, I just created an assistant, Kiki. She is Ali's copywriting assistant, and she has a pretty complex prompt. It's not complex, but it's all the features of Alice that I put in this prompt so that she already knows the context. But on top of that, what I can do is I can create snippets for Kiki only. So those snippets will be available for her, and it will be so much easier for me to add another layer of a prompt to an existing assistant. It's, to be honest, not so difficult to understand if you go to snippets, but if you don't know the concept of assistants and snippets, I do recommend you to watch the 101 videos. But here, what I can do is just create a new snippet, and that will be YouTube descriptions. And I want to create descriptions in a category, for example, Alice. So the main prompt here can be a bit more complex, but I will just use a simple one to demonstrate the idea. I will give you a feature name or details about the video, and he will create an engaging YouTube description and title. So that's basically almost it. Maybe just use GPT-4. I'm going to use this model, save snippet. And I need to make sure that in the assistants, I have Kiki enabled in terms of this specific prompt that I've created. So I go to the very bottom and I have this YouTube descriptions. I make sure that I enable YouTube descriptions for Kiki. Now I'm going to save the assistant and I'm going to go to Kiki to create a new conversation. So in the new conversation, let's make sure that we use Kiki. So we can already press / and type in YouTube. And now if I go to YouTube descriptions from Alice, I have quite a few of them, but this is the one that I want to use. Now I can give her an instruction, for example, remote actions in Alice, and she'll understand to create a video description and title for the remote actions. So as you can see, it's really not so bad, especially for the input that I gave it. So it's really modest. But from there, you can improve, and you can improve the prompt itself so that it adds some more context, and maybe you can include in the prompt that we also ask a user to subscribe to our channel or something like that. But also you can improve input so that, for example, you can, as an input, paste a video transcript that you generate from the video that you recorded, or maybe like I do, you have a list of bullet points before recording the video so that you can provide the bullet points, and then based on that you will have the description that better matches your video. So this is all to be done, but I wanted to show you a way of thinking and some kind of inspiration on how to have these nested prompts, because we now have a master prompt for Kiki and also a prompt for snippets, and those two prompts work together. And this is great because it simply saves you such big amount of time. So that's it for now. See you in the next one.